How to activate and set up eSIM on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on the cellular option and further, go ahead and tap on the add eSIM option you see there. And now in the interface that you will be led to, you can go ahead and tap on the use QR code option you see there in order to set up your new eSIM. So go ahead and scan the QR code sent by your carrier service provider, and once scanned, your eSIM will be activated by following the prompts. Or you can also tap on the enter details manually option you see there and further enter the details given by your service provider, and then tap on next, and with this, if the code that you entered is correct, then your SIM will be activated. So this is how you can activate and set up eSIM on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.